We're back in Bella Vista at our favorite lake, Lake Loch Lomond, with a new listing that you do not want to miss. This is a members-only lake that offers wonderful boating and fishing opportunity. Today, we're bringing you a custom-built home completed in 2013 by O.A.K builders with its own dock. This home rests on a private 1-acre lot. Inside, you will find over 3,600 square feet with an open concept kitchen, 2 living spaces, and 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 2 bonus rooms. The upstairs living room features a custom built-in with gas fireplace. The downstairs great room features wall-to-wall windows and a bonus kitchenette. Another unique benefit of 28 Dunkeld Drive is the gentle slope from street to lake and a paved cart path down to the dock. Come enjoy all the natural wonders of Bella Vista with miles of biking trails, 7 lakes, waterfalls, caves, and more. To schedule your private showing, call me, Adam Fleming, at Keller Williams Market Pro Realty, 479-435-5353.